Have you got a printable image that you really want to use as an SVG but you don't know how to do it? Well, I'm going to show you how to convert your printable screenshot into a layered SVG. Hi, I'm Sarah. I am the crafter and designer behind Extraordinary Chaos, and I'm here to help you get the best of your Cricut machine. And today we are looking at how to make SVG images out of a printable image in Cricut Design Space without paying for any extra programs. And it's really easy. I'm going to do it from a screenshot, but I'm going to do it from a screenshot of one of my images, because obviously you can't go screenshotting copyrights. But if it was one of your children's pictures, for example, or it was an outline that was coloured in, you can do it with that. You can make your children's drawings into SVGs or into cuttable images so that you can cut them out and make, I don't know, t-shirts, hoodies, put them on cups, make stickers. You can do all sorts of them, but if you want them so that you can cut them out and layer them and put them on a card or put them in a scrapbooking layout, this is a really simple, easy way to do it. So let's jump onto Cricut Design Space. I will see you over there, and I'm going to show you how to convert colour printable pictures into cuttable SVG type files. So I'm going to start by uploading the printable file. So I've actually done a screenshot of this. It is my file. I've just thought, right, I'll do it so I can show how you'd upload it as a printable. So this is a printable image. I'm just going to take the back off, and I'm going to save it as a flat graphic. And that, once I've clicked upload, is the printable image. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back and we're going to re-upload it and upload it so that you can do it as a cut file. So I'm going to go back in and click upload, click on my image. And now I'm going to start removing the colours. So I'm going to remove the background first, and then I'm just going to go around step by step and just remove all of the middle. So this will be left with the white background. So once that's all removed, as I go around and click every little piece, so you can leave pieces in, but it's just, if you want to get rid of them all, then you can. Now what I'm going to do with the bucket and spade is the handle and the little red thing on the middle of the bucket. I think they're too small to cut, so I'm going to leave those layers in, but keep going around and remove the rest. And we're nearly there. And once we're finished, we are going to click apply and continue. So there we go. So now we want to save it as a single layer and click next and upload. So that is our SVG type file. The reason I say type is because it is a PNG. We uploaded a PNG and we've just taken the colour out of it and changed it to a cuttable file, but it will now do the same as an SVG. So you can duplicate it, you can create your layers. I've got a full tutorial on creating layered files for this reef, so I will drop that below. You can just go on the timestamps to where you start to layer, and there's the coloured versus the cut version. So that is the difference, and that is how you change the colour version to a cut file to layer. And that was easy, wasn't it? Now, I know that strictly they are not SVG files, because to be an SVG, it's the way it's saved and it's the way it uploads, but it will act the same as an SVG in Cricut Design Space, and that's all you need. So I hope that helped. Please do tag me and let me know what you made. Comment below and tell me if you thought it was easy, or if there's anything else you'd like me to show you. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting, and I will see you next time.